So as we're targeting building this race vehicle, and as we did with Pro R, we're evaluating multiple options. We're not just looking for a passing solution, we're looking for the best solution. So our team of engineers has been looking at all the inputs, and they'll chase different designs and compare them to make sure that we have winning designs and designs that meet all our requirements.
Looking at the race vehicle, it's pretty awesome when you think about suspension. We're really not changing suspension. The Pro R suspension really is the best suspension out there. It is the ultimate vehicle out there today. So as we're looking at it as the race vehicle goes, we're like, well, what do we do to improve it? We kind of sat and looked at each other and said, let's use the stock stuff. Will we make some improvements in the future? Sure. We can take some weight out. We can make some higher strength components, for example. But generally speaking, the kinematics of Pro R is awesome. So we're taking that and pretty much leaving it alone in order to provide the fastest race vehicle out there today. Some of the cool things we did on our vehicle, we have a hulled design, so basically going through the rocks, there's less surface area to hit, higher clearance in some areas, and then for some of those thick walled tubes that the FAA requires, we can actually stop those short, actually make the vehicle lighter by not having those heavyweight tubes go all the way down to the bottom of the chassis. So there's a lot of things like that that we worked on, trying to get the weight out of the vehicle to give you the highest performing vehicle as you can. Lightweighting is super important. If you think about it, if it's a power to weight thing, the more power you have is great, but if you have a really heavy vehicle, you don't really have any more performance. So it's really that balance of power and weight. The more weight you can save is basically like putting horsepower in your pocket.